In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see who accepted your meeting invites in Outlook. If you've ever wondered whether your meeting invites have been accepted or are just sitting in someone's inbox, worry no more. This step-by-step guide will help you see exactly who has confirmed their attendance. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you're not already there, open your preferred web browser and head directly to the Outlook website. Once the page is loaded, you'll notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. And this will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your login details. Take your time to ensure your email and password are typed correctly, as this will save you from potential access issues later on. Once you're confident that everything is entered correctly, go ahead and click Next. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard, a central hub for all your email and calendar needs. Your first task here is to locate the calendar. Look towards the top left corner of the dashboard. You should easily spot the calendar icon. This icon serves as your gateway to view all your scheduled events and meetings. Click on it to open your calendar. Now that you have your calendar open, it's time to select the event you're interested in. Scroll or search through your upcoming meetings and find the one for which you want to see the responses. Once you've identified the event, the next step is to double-click on it. This action opens up the event details, providing you with various important information about the meeting. Upon opening the event details, direct your attention to the right corner of the pane. Here you will find key details about the participants of your meeting. You'll see yourself labeled as the organizer, along with a list of attendees. This section is crucial as it reveals who has accepted the invite, giving you direct insight into your meeting participation. You can often see an indicator next to each attendee's name, showing if they have accepted, declined, or not responded to your invite. This feature in Outlook is incredibly useful for anyone who needs to manage meetings efficiently. It provides a quick and simple way to keep track of attendance and make any necessary adjustments before your meeting occurs. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily determine who has accepted your meeting invitations in Outlook, ensuring you stay on top of your scheduling and plan effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps streamline your meeting management process.